Good morning, everyone. My name is Digvijay Jivan Surane, and today we are all here to perform our first CPO activity, which is introduction. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Digvijay Jivan Surane. I am third year BTech undergrad pursuing in civil engineering branch with last semester CGPA of 8.58. I have completed my SSC, HSC from HRV with 90% and 87% respectively. I have very good command over the basics of AutoCAD, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and C language. Recently, I had done with the industrial training on construction of concrete pavement. Talking about my project, in first year, I did science day project on generating electricity from piezoelectric sensor. After that, I did a mini project on demolition of building. Now, talking about my positions of responsibility, I worked as a coordinator in many events held by our college like Avishkar, uh, Science Day, Hackathon, etc. Currently, I am working as an organizing team coordinator in cultural committee of DCK. Through all this experience, I could say that now I am a good and effective team leader. My interpersonal skills are leadership, hardworking, management, self-confidence, and patience. Through all these activities, I have also managed to retain my hobby of playing badminton and also picked up a new one, uh, which is playing musical instruments, which is ukulele. Ukulele. I am comfortable in Marathi, Hindi, English language. I am looking forward to work with you as I think this will be a great opportunity to utilize my skills and experience. Lastly, I am up for the challenges. Thank you. That was all from my side. Next, I would like to call Vishwatej Lamkani to give his introduction.
Okay, good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vishwadeva Lamkani. I am from Pandapur. Now I am studying in third year civil engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I did my HSC from Karmir Gaurav Patil College, Pandapur. I have completed my SSC from Mr. Vinay Gaurav Patil High School, Parithe. I have done one project on hydraulic traffic radar system. Apart from this, I am familiar with programming languages C, C++. I have good command on designing software like AutoCAD and StatPro. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, and my strengths are self-motivated and hardworking. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwatej. Now I would like to call Pandurang Munapet to give his introduction.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pandurang Sabram Murape. Uh, I am working in third year BTech Civil Engineering branch with last semester CGPA 7.98. I have completed my HSC, both HSC and SSC from Indian University School Punjab with 82 and 63 percentage respectively. I had very good commands on basic of C, C++, and basic of AutoCAD, MS Word, PowerPoint. Recently, I had done with mini project on topic of retrofitting of building. My interpersonal skills are leadership, uh, leadership, hardworking, self-confidence, and patience. Throughout all these activities, also I have maintained my hobbies of playing football. It helps to build my leadership and hardworking skills. I am comfortable in Marathi, Hindi, and English also. I am looking forward to work with you as I think this will be the good opportunity to utilize my skills and experience and also have a good exposure towards this industry. Thank you. That was all from my side.
Thank you, Pandurang. Now I would like to call Rupesh Kumar Bagul to give his introduction.
Thank you, Digvijay. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rupesh Kumar Bagul. I am basically from Nandurbar district, but currently staying in Solapur district. I have completed my SSC from Kola Vidyamandir Kola, district Solapur with 86.60 percentage, and SSC completed from Maharashtra Vidyalaya Bharati with 66.61 percentage. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in third year of civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My previous year CGPA is 70.70. I have basic knowledge about programming language like C and C++, and I have also knowledge about AutoCAD software. I did a mini project on retrofitting a building. I was participating in a science day exhibition, and my extracurricular activity was I was participating in Coco sport event, and my hobbies are playing cricket and Coco and learn music. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupesh. Now I would like to call Vaibhav Bansod to give his introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Gautam Bansode. I am from Latur. I have completed my HSC from Rajarshi Shahu Junior Science College Latur. Right now, I am a third year BTech undergrad pursuing in a civil engineering branch with last semester CGP of 7.69. I have very good command over basic of AutoCAD and PowerPoint. After that, I did mini project on water supply management of Nagpur city. My hobbies are playing badminton and chess. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Now I would like to call Ajay Gahel to introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning to all of you. My name is Ghal Ajay. I am from Nanded, Maharashtra. I completed my HSC from Lal Bahadur Shastri College and SSC from Nanded Uttam Pansare High School, Dharmabad. I secured 90% in SSC and 60% in SSC. I am pursuing my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Now I am in third year pursuing civil engineering. Apart from my academics, I have completed one summer internship from Devan Irfatech and also internet college tips. And in my college activities, I participated in science exhibition and done a project on solar house. And in extracurricular activities, I am Avishkar Decoration Committee member. In hobbies, I like to play kabaddi and cricket also. Thank you. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay. Now I would like to call Aditya Anchawale to give his introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Dalip Ansavle, native of the Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. About my past qualification, I have done both SSC and HSC from Balasaheb Bharde High School, Shevgaon, and currently I am doing BTech in Civil Engineering of third year from Government College of Engineering, Karad. About my skills, so I have the basic knowledge of AutoCAD software and as well as learning new things of CAD software and learning the languages like C and Python. About my co-curricular activities, so I have participated in many workshops arranged by the Dice Club of GCK, as well as about social activities. So I have participated in the blood donation camp arranged by the college as a donor. Talking about my hobbies, so my hobbies are singing, listening the classical music, as well as I am also good at playing tabla and pakwaz. So I'm looking forward to learning new things to enhance my skills to give better performance and get better opportunities. That's all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Now I would like to call Akshay Ghirade to give his introduction.
Good morning, all of you. First, all of you, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Akshay Kisan Ghede. I am basically from Atpadi, but currently staying from Galewadi village. Now, my education qualification, I am pursuing a BTech third year civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have done my HSC in Atpadi College and I have done my SSC in Galewadi High School. Now coming to my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife, and I had one sister. She is studying at college, and I had one brother. He is studying at college, and my strength are I am self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person, and my weakness is easily trusted by anyone, and no language are Marathi and Hindi, and my short-term goal is to get a reputed company uh, like your and improve my skill and knowledge, and my long-term goal is to get a respected position in my company, and my hobbies are reading book, listening music, and watch to cricket. That is all about me. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Zubair Magre to give his introduction.
Hello everyone, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Zubair Ahmad Magre and I am from J&K. I did my diploma from Government Polytechnic College, Badgam in civil engineering. And currently I am pursuing BTech from Government College of Engineering, Kerala, Maharashtra. So I also done diploma, 1 year diploma in computers. Generally my hobbies are reading, writing, and gardening also. In sports, I'm interested in volleyball and cricket also. Thank you.
Thank you, Zubair. At last, I would like to call Gagandeep Singh to give his introduction.
My name is Gagandeep Singh. I am from Jammu Kashmir. I did my diploma in civil engineering from Government Polytechnic College, Jammu. I am also doing BTech in civil engineering in third year from Government Engineering College, Karat. I also have some experience of AutoCAD, Microsoft, and other computer software programming extra. Thank you.
Thank you, Gagandeep. At last, I would like to thank everyone for participating in this activity. I believe this activity was very helpful to you, all by seeing others' introduction and also by practicing yours. I hope we will do more activity like today's in future. Thank you for your cooperation.